This video contains the experiences generated from the introduction of the product Accell to KFC in Bozeman, Montana, presented through employee testimonies. After a full year of testing, we present to you these testimonial conclusions.
Hi, I'm Brady Steinke, franchisee of the KFC here in Bozeman, Montana. I'm here today to talk to you about Accell, a great new cleaning product. It saves money, it's safer to use, it has a multitude of benefits in the restaurant, and your employees are happier because they have less work to do. Accell has saved me 1.5% in my restaurant this year. That's $14,000 I've been able to put to my bottom line just by switching to Accell. It comes not in chemical costs, because that's approximately the same. The saving comes in labor. I don't have to spend as much on training. My employees are more efficient. I've saved it on not having to have my hoods cleaned as often because we've cleaned it with Accell. I don't have to have my grease traps pumped as often because there's less grease in them. And there's a whole slew of things I can't put a dollar amount on, like having to repair equipment less, not having to snake the plumbing because it's full of grease. Anything that the caustic chemicals were eating and dissolving away is totally gone. When I mentioned that Accell is safe, I have eliminated 9 caustic chemicals in my restaurant. I now only have to use Accell, a little bit of dish soap, and sanitizer. That's it. Accell's non-toxic, environmentally safe. I haven't seen any chemical burns on employees in this last year. We don't have to have extra gloves, goggles, masks, etc. Accell is safe. Accell should be used in every restaurant in the world on their floors. What I've seen in my store is in the lobby, it's just a matter of a mop. You're done. No more reason to scrub. It's that great of a product. In the kitchen, just by scrubbing the floors, the amount of traction you have is tenfold of what it used to be. I've seen no slip and falls since we've started using Accell on the kitchen floor. And after it cleans the floor, it's cleaning your drains, which then cleans out your grease trap. It is a wonderful, wonderful floor cleaner. After about the first month of using Accell, we noticed that our countertops, tables, chairs, trash cans, bathrooms, windows, everything became easier to clean because Accell leaves a residual layer behind, allowing every time you clean to be a little bit easier and a little bit easier. When we initially cleaned the equipment using Accell, we had to do it the old way. Razor blades, heavy duty scrubbing, but once we got that layer of grease off, now it's simple spray and wipe, even on your toughest to clean areas of your equipment. When it comes to cleaning your equipment and surfaces, follow the company's guidelines, and after about a month or so, all the heavy grease and grime that was built up is gone. And now it's just a matter of spraying on Accell and wiping a surface. My employees are much happier now that we've switched to Accell because there aren't any more dirty jobs for them to do. We cleaned the entire store in the beginning using the 5-step process. All our surfaces are now clean. Now the employees can just come up, spray a surface. During the wait time, they've become more efficient. So while Accell is doing the heavy scrubbing for them, they're off doing another job. They come back, they wipe the surface clean. Whereas before it was new employee asking the manager, which product do I use on which surface? And they got all these 9 different things they were using. And now it's very simple to train. Here's your one product. Go clean a surface. It's done. So to wrap things up, Accell has added 1.5% savings to my bottom line For me, that's $14,000 I've seen in savings. It's safe, it's non-toxic. I removed 9 different caustic chemicals in the restaurant just by switching to Accell. Floors have way more traction than they ever had before. The entire work environment is safer. My employees are happier and more productive. My restaurant looks and smells great, and it runs better because of Accell. This product belongs in every restaurant, period.
Okay. Hi, my name is Chris. I've worked here for about 5 years. I'm the general manager of the store. I'm just going to show you around on some quick things that the Accell's really helped us on a lot. Our display, it's been extremely helpful over here. It used to take us a couple hours once a week or so to clean that thing up. Now we do it nightly. It takes about 2 minutes. We're in and out and done. It's awesome on the warmers. For all the rails, the chicken grease really builds up on there. It's great on that, just a quick wipe down. You can kind of see really quick here, I mean, where it's really just cleaned these things up really, really well. We use it everywhere in the store, from all of our floors on back line, front line, and lobby, and it works great on all of them. No slipping problems. I mean, you can just dig right into this stuff. It cleans it up really well. It's really easy. It requires very little amount of Accell to even clean. Another place is the sauces over here. The sauces from the honey barbecue, the buffalo, those things would really stick to this stuff. We'd have to get a brush and just scrub for quite a while to get it all off. Now you spray it down, let it sit 5 minutes, you come back and it wipes right off.
My name is Willow Bach-Hansen, and I'm the general manager here at KFC in Bozeman, Montana. I've been asked today to talk to you a little bit about my experiences here in the store with the Accell product since we started using it last year. There has been some dramatic changes that we've seen here. Allergies, skin reactions, breathing issues, the need for a hazmat suit, those have all gone away. I don't have to worry about any of my employees' safety with regards to how they use the chemicals in the store, because we only have one. Previous to using Accell, we had 9 different caustic chemicals in the store, and the precautions we had to take varied from nothing practically to gloves and protective equipment. We're now down to just one chemical in the store that would be considered caustic, and that is part of our self-contained cleaning oven process. The rest of everything we use is the Accell product, and we have had no issues. I don't have to worry about the product being used on a table and a customer coming right back behind and touching that table, or my employees grabbing the wrong product. It's just simple. The cleaning in the store has gone from better to better to better. Every time we clean with this product, it becomes faster, and the store is getting cleaner every time we use it. We have inspections twice a year where they come into our store and they look in every nook and cranny and watch everything we do. Usually before the inspection, it has taken us 2 or 3 extra crew members until sometimes 2 o'clock in the morning preparing the store for the inspection the next day. The last 2 inspections that we've had, we've been using the Accell product. And the last inspection we had, we scored the best score we've ever scored, and we had no cleaning issues whatsoever. We did not have any problems with any of the cleaning in the store. The inspector actually told me that the store looked the best it has since he started the process. And my employees are happier to clean in that they can get out of here faster at the end of the night or at the end of their shift. It's cut down my labor so much that, typically you want to save about 1% in labor. We're on our way to almost 3%. We've seen $11,000 in savings since we started using this product. And it's just growing day by day, what we see in savings and what we see in time. And I'm excited. I'm excited about this product. I'm excited about everything it's done for my store and what it's going to keep doing for my store.
Accell as a cleaning system is revolutionary. It was developed by the Advanced Biocatalytics Corporation in Irvine, California, with aid from the Department of Cell Biology at the University of California, Irvine. It has 22 patents that have been filed to date. Accell is in fact a low molecular weight liquid protein and surfactant complex that accelerates cell metabolism of the existing bacteria to digest and degrade fats, oils, grease, and odors. In layman terms, it is an extremely effective cleaner and is the first ever of a new generation of cleaning products. It is completely safe to the environment and to the people who use it. It works better over time by activating the bacteria that exists naturally on the area it cleans by accelerating their eating habits so they continue to work even after the cleaning is done. In other words, surfaces become easier to clean with each use. Accell is an American original. It has an American inventor, it's of American manufacture, and it's American owned. Accell has many applications in wastewater and septic systems, in agriculture, in oil remediation, and in fire suppression, as well as the restaurant business that we are explaining today. Accell was a key product used in the 2010 Gulf of Mexico oil spill, where it was used in the remediation of oil spills both on water and on the beaches. To sum things up, Accell is safe, both to the environment and to the people who use it. Accell is easy to use. It saves time on labor. It eliminates bad odors, and it makes cleaning easier with each use. Thank you for your time. We look forward to speaking with you in the future.